Oh, good morning with Dennis Gerard with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Excuse me, on this bright, beautiful day, we're going to be taking a look at this 2019 Newmar Bay Star Sport. It's a 2702, great floor plan. Let's go around here. So this comes into, this one has a light color in the silvers and the whites. Probably a great coach to be in a hot place with. As we go around, we have the top hinged bay doors. As you look across, we have our inverter there. Water tank is behind it in this bay. Look into here. Holding tank. Our black tank sprayer. Our through storage. One thing that Newmar does that maybe you haven't seen before is if the slide out's not out, you can continue to raise this. Like this is adjustable here on the side. So if the slide out wasn't out, we could even raise this higher. Then when we go to drop it, we just lower it. So it really has 3 different positions this door can be. Great to keep us from bending over too much. Again, pass through, and again on the back edge here, you can see how easy this is. Bring it up to here, lock it in place. Now we've got it as high as we can be. And when we go to drop it, we just lower it back to the lower position, shut the door. Come around back, we do have our ladder and our rear window. In this compartment right here, we're going to have our generator, Onan 4000, gas powered generator. Power cord. Of course, one of the things that Newmar gives us is this little notch, and all you got to do is just put your cord in and shut the door. No fishing through the deck plate. So we come on around on this new Bay Star Sport. We've got our service center. Black tank flush is back in the right hand corner. Our low point drains are across the back. And our holding tank, our dump valve. So as we go on around, this is on the Ford V10 chassis. We do have side cameras, automotive style windshield glued in, electric exterior awning. Now one of the things that's unusual in this 2702 is a short little floor plan, but with really nice storage. In the kitchen here we have our flip up to give us additional counter space. 2-door refrigerator, nice overhead cabinets. Bathroom is here on the left. Corner radius shower. Of course, with an eye to the Newmar design quality. Back here we have a queen bed. It's going to be storage underneath. Can never have too much storage. Our accent lighting is built in the fascia with LEDs. Rear window with a shade. But look at this. Look how much storage we have here on this short 27-foot coach. 2 wardrobes, 6 drawers, along with a TV and an exit window. Great pocket door. This latch here you release by pushing down, but it locks in both positions. It'll lock when it's closed and lock when it's open. Always great when you're traveling. Very comfortable dinette that can make into a bed. 3 overheads along with our LED lighting. Our pull-out sofa. 3 more overheads. And then as we go to the front, we can see the dash area. Driver passenger seats can both be rotated and reclined to face the living room. The passenger has their computer desk. Comes with automatic leveling jacks, 2 monitors, great coach. This would be a good one to come drive and let's go have a little fun and see if this is the coach for you. So hope we can earn your business. Dennis Gerard with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon.